Sen, ako po kasi, ang Senate hearing po natatapos, pero natatakot po kasi ako sa magiging buhay ko.
Ano ka tinatakot nung kausap mo sa telepono?
Ah,
How were you threatened?
hindi ko po muna i-discuss po sa public po.
No.
Opo.
You,
Pasensya na po talaga, Sen.
how were you threatened? Yun lang tanong ko, how were you threatened?
Hindi ko po siya may discuss po sa public po, Sen. Pasensya na po talaga.
Talaga makukulong ka. Madam Chair, if just in case the court will allow the Senate to be detained here, I would like to raise this motion to immediately commit her at the Pasay City Jail.
Salamat, Senate President Pro Tempore. Before that matter will be deliberated, we have a pending citation in contempt by the chair, seconded by Sen Joel.